In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're focusing on identifying and fixing UV distortion in Cinema 4 DS22, so your textures look clean and behave the way you expect. If you've ever seen textures stretching or scrunching on a model, that's a sign your UVs need attention, and this workflow will help you quickly diagnose and correct it. Start in the UV Edit window. With your object's UVs visible, go to the top menu and choose View, then Distortion. This overlays a color map that makes problem areas obvious. Red means the UVs are stretched compared to the 3D surface, which can blur textures. Blue means they're squashed, which can compress details. Gray is the goal. It indicates minimal distortion and even texel density. Keep this view on as your guide while you work. It updates interactively while you adjust UVs. Begin by addressing the blue areas. Use the Scale tool in the UV view to proportionally scale those UVs up until they turn gray. Think of it as restoring balance. Squashed areas need more UV space so texture pixels aren't overly compressed. Move slowly and watch the colors shift. If a region flips from blue to red, you've overcorrected and should dial it back. Aim for neutral gray across as much of the map as possible. Next, refine the problem spots by unwrapping only the sections that need it. Select the distorted UV islands. An island is a connected cluster of UVs that represents a continuous patch of your model's surface. With those islands selected, choose the UV Unwrap tool and enable Restrict to Polygon selection. This tells Cinema 4D to process only the areas you've highlighted, preserving good regions while relaxing the troublesome ones. It's a targeted fix that helps you maintain consistency in the rest of the layout. Once the unwrapping looks balanced and the color overlay leans toward gray, finish by running Repack UVs. This command automatically arranges your islands for a tidy, efficient layout that avoids overlaps and makes the most of the available texture space. It keeps proportions intact, so the distortion you just corrected stays corrected. After repacking, take another look in Distortion View to confirm that everything is still gray and evenly distributed. That's the complete process. Use Distortion View to diagnose, scale blue regions toward gray to neutralize squashing, unwrap the selected problem islands with Restrict to Polygon selection, and finalize with Repack UVs for a clean, organized, distortion-free UV map. Work incrementally, keep an eye on the colors, and you'll get reliable, texture-ready results in Cinema 4 DS22.